Why detailed prompts outperform one-liners for LLMs. Most machine learning engineers learn it just well enough to get by. Here is what is actually happening. A short prompt leaves the token probability distribution wide open, forcing the model to sample from a high entropy space of generic internet text. Save this video now to ace your next generative AI architecture interview. Most engineers think prompt engineering is just about asking nicely. In reality, it is a mathematical constraint optimization problem over the model's vocabulary. When you specify a role, task, and constraints, you are conditioning the probability distribution, which collapses the vocabulary search space from millions of generic paths to a highly targeted subspace. People assume LLMs understand context implicitly from a short query, but the model is actually running a blind autoregressive decoding process that simply minimizes loss based on the prior tokens you provided. Share this with an engineer who still thinks prompting is just vibes. Think of an unconstrained prompt as a random walk across a massive graph of tokens, while a structured prompt acts as a high-dimensional vector mask that filters out irrelevant paths before sampling even begins. Popular explanations claim detailed prompts teach the model, but the correct model is that they mathematically restrict the generation space to prevent the decoding process from wandering into low-quality local minima. In an interview, you can say, detailed prompts do not teach the model new capabilities. They perform test time conditioning to restrict the sampling distribution and minimize the entropy of the generation path. Tag the machine learning engineer in your circle who thinks they already have prompt optimization figured out, and follow to master your next AI interview.